Assalamualaikum student. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well at home. Okay, let's begin our class. The class we are going to start is maths. The class we are going to start is maths. Okay, let us discuss the date. Today is 24th June 2020. Today is 24th June in 2020. The number of the June is 6. The number of the June is 6. Now come to the day. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay student, now I will teach you the topic long and short. Today I will teach you about long and short. Long and short. Okay. The spelling of long is L-O-N-G. Long. And the spelling of short is S-H-O-R-T. Short. Now let us see some example. Okay student, what is this? This is candle. This is candle. This is candle. Which thing is this? Candle. Okay. This candle is 2. This candle is 2. Okay student, what is the difference between two candles? One is long and one is short. One is long in length and this is short in length. The difference between these candle is length. This candle is long and this candle is short. So this is a long candle, this is a short candle, this is a long candle, this is a short candle. Okay student, now here is one more example. Okay, can you see what is this? This is pencil. And what is this? This pencil is 2. Okay student, can you see the difference between these pencils? Yes. One is long and one is short. How you can see the difference between these two pencils? One is long in length and one is short in length. So, which pencil is long in length? We can say this is long. Okay. Which pencil is short in length? We can say this pencil is short. Long. This pencil is short. Long, short. Okay student, this is another example. What is this? This is scale. Okay, and what is this? This is scale 2. Now, what is the difference between these two scales? The difference between these two scales is length. One is long in length and one is short in length. So, this is a long scale, this is a short scale. This is long and this is short. Okay, the difference between these two scales is length. This scale is long in length, this scale is short in length. So, okay student, the difference between every long and short object is length. Okay student, now we will perform some activities to understand some better the difference between long and short. Okay, this spoon is long and this spoon is short. This spoon is long and this spoon is short. What is the difference? It is long in length and it is short in length. So the difference between these spoon is length. Okay students, what is this? This is a scale. This scale is long and this scale is short. this scale is long in length and this scale is short in length. So the difference between these two scales is length. Okay student, what is this? This is a remote and this is remote 2. So this remote is long in length and this remote is short in length. So the difference between these remote is length. Okay students, this was the activity. So what is the conclusion for today? The conclusion is that every long and short object has only one difference, and that is length. Yes, that is length. So keep in mind and do perform activity at home too. Thank you students.